Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. Today I'm going to show you how to add a stop on Google Maps. If you'd like to add a stop point before your final destination on Google Maps, you can easily do it with the help of your mobile device or with your desktop, even on your iPad or tablet. You can easily add a stop on Google Maps if you need to alter directions before your final destination. And you can easily add up to 9 stops on Google Maps. If you'd like to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Click open a web browser and go to maps.google.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access Google Maps. Now, once you're in, click on the blue arrow button right next to your search bar to access for directions. And once you do that, you'll need to choose a starting point. You can simply type in the name of the place that you'd like to choose for starting point, or you can simply go ahead and scroll through your maps and select the location that you'd like to start from. To start from a particular location, click on the map once and the address will be typed in the text box at the top left. Now, you'll need to go ahead and choose the destination that you'd like to end up in. For example, let me go to this location out here. Click on the location and that way you've marked yourself a route for your destination. Now, underneath your ending destination, right here, go and click on the button that says Add Destination. Click on the plus icon right next to it. And now, choose a destination that you'd like to use as a stop. Once you click on one of the points that you'd like to mark as a stop, you can see that you've successfully marked a stop destination. Now, if you'd like to relocate your stop, simply drag the stop to the point that you'd like to use for your stop. Once you do that, you've also reordered your stop. Similarly, you can also add up to 9 stops on Google Maps. Simply click on the point that you'd like to mark as a stop between your destination, and soon after you click on that point, it will be marked as a stop. That is how you can easily add stop before your destination in between on Google Maps. With Google Stops, you can alter directions before your final destination. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.